How to get account unbanned on Rainbow Six Siege. Now in this video, I'll provide you additional information how you can get your account unbanned on Rainbow Six Siege. Now from the very first glance that your account being unbanned, you should be able to receive that email where you can submit an appeal. However, if submitting an appeal is not an option on your end, that what you can do is to go straight directly from Ubisoft support. Now what you want to need from here is to type in appeal from one of their article. Now, there's going to be a lot of options here, but what you want to choose is information about Ubisoft account locks. Now, for additional information, if you cannot find the appeal option on submitting a ticket where your account got being restricted or banned, you can head straight directly into contact Ubisoft help. So this is going to be the specific form that you need to fill out. And if you have necessary screenshots, you can manually add here and then input the specific detail while your account was being banned or got restricted. And that's pretty much it. That's the most convenient way to get your account unbanned on Rainbow Six Siege.